I'll be sharing with you how to make this hydrating aloe vera shampoo. And it's actually very easy to make. You can see how foamy it is. It's also very nice and moisturizing. So in today's video, I actually forgot to record the beginning of the video, but the real how I learned my voice was when I found out when I was actually doing the video that I thought I was recording. So but it is very easy. Just check the formula on my Telegram channel, then you get the steps I missed showing in the video. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hydrating Formulation School. I share formulation tips, DIY recipe, my experiments with natural ingredients, and how they can help you. So do subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. God, like I don't even know how to feel. I thought I was recording, but I was not. Then I received a call, and then I was thinking, okay, well, let me continue recording and all, and then I saw that it was not even loading. Wow. So just check my Telegram group, you will see what I added already. Wow, oh my god. So you will see what I added already in the recipe. So I already added water. Then after adding water, I added my liquid castor soap because you see it's already foamy, right? So after adding the liquid castor soap, I added the aloe vera gel. Yeah, so water, liquid castor soap, aloe vera gel. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so painful. Anyways, just check the recipe on my Telegram community. It's free. Click the link in the description. So the next thing to add in this formula is honey. I'm not making up to that quantity that I dropped on the group, so that's why I see that I did not use up to the 1 tablespoon I mentioned in the formula, right? So now, yeah, the next thing in the formula is essential oil. This is an essential oil that I'm going to be using lavender, and I'll be adding few drops, not up to the number of drops in the group, in the recipe, original recipe, because normally I use that recipe, but this one I'm making a smaller amount. So if you want to make a larger amount or you want to make a smaller amount, you just adjust. So this is lavender essential oil, and I'll just add few drops. Yeah. And so that is it. You see that this is actually foamy. So this is an hydrating aloe vera shampoo, and it's very good. It helps with dry hair, it also helps with scalp, and it also helps to balance the pH of the hair because of this aloe vera that we put there. It's actually very nice. Yeah, and you know honey will make that, so it's also moisturizing. So just try this recipe and look at how nice the shampoo looks. God, you need to try it. Like these free recipes I'm giving you guys, I love you all so much. So this video, you can see I've not even put it on my hand, it's already foamy. Yeah, so this is it. And there are different types of shampoo recipes on my channel. You can check to see different types, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm so pained that it became to not load, you know, record rather. So yeah.